Here's how to remove the door handle on a Buick Roadmaster Estate Wagon, and also some tips on how to replace a window regulator. So you've got one of these little nuts right here, right there. I know it's kind of dark in there, I can't really, I don't have a light on me. There we go. So that one right there. Okay, and then use a knife to carefully pry off this thing, off this little hole. And now take a 10mm wood extension, and you can get to it. And then you might not want to drop the nut. Don't want to be that hard, but so some tips on the window regulator. I've added these self-tapping screws, which are probably not the best fastener, but I had them on hand and it works. There were rivets right here, and right there. And you see I had to drill them out there, and then I put the self-tapping screw in next to it. So that allows you to move this whole window regulator assembly out of the door so that you can replace the latch with an aftermarket part, which is what I would recommend. It works just fine. But it seems in the process I got the door handle linkage disconnected because I'm pulling this door handle and it's not doing anything. But yeah, anyway, drill out those rivets, put in some screws. There's this screw, and there's this screw, bolt for the door handle. There you go.